Welcome to your ultimate guide to anti-inflammatory eating. In this video, we'll explore the foods that can help reduce inflammation and those you'll want to avoid. Plus, I'll share important tips for incorporating these foods into your daily routine. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Herbs and spices are flavorful, versatile, and packed with anti-inflammatory benefits. Turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Pair it with black pepper to boost absorption. Try it in soups, stews, roasted veggies, or a cozy golden milk latte made with plant-based milk, turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, and a touch of maple syrup. Ginger. Loaded with gingerol, ginger can help reduce inflammation, especially in conditions like arthritis. Cinnamon-rich in cinnamaldehyde, it's great for reducing inflammation and balancing blood sugar levels. Pro tip: I love Peak Ginger Tea for a quick, potent boost. It's made using cold extraction technology to preserve all the goodness. Fruits are nature's anti-inflammatory powerhouses. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries are rich in anthocyanins, which lower CRP, C-reactive protein, a key marker of chronic inflammation. Don't shy away from frozen berries during the winter months. They're just as nutrient-packed. Citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are loaded with vitamin C, which fights free radicals, supports collagen production, and reduces inflammation. Fill your plate with colorful veggies for maximum anti-inflammatory benefits. Leafy greens spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are high in vitamin K and carotenoids, reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Add them to soups, stews, or grain bowls. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts contain sulforaphane, which activates anti-inflammatory processes in your body. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that promotes gut health and reduces inflammation. Use them as a base for bowls topped with veggies, legumes, and spices. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are fiber-rich and contain saponins, which support gut health and combat inflammation. Try making an oil-free hummus with turmeric and ginger, or roast chickpeas with cinnamon for a crunchy anti-inflammatory snack. Healthy fats are essential for fighting inflammation. Include avocado, nuts, seeds, and ground flax seeds in your meals. Tip: buy whole flax seeds and grind them fresh weekly for the best omega-3 benefits. Add a tablespoon to smoothies, oatmeal, or salads daily. Ultra-refined foods. These spike blood sugar and insulin levels, triggering chronic inflammation. Stick to whole foods with natural fiber to stabilize your blood sugar. Fried foods and trans fats. Found in deep-fried items and many store-bought baked goods, these activate pro-inflammatory genes. Opt for baked, roasted, or air-fried options instead. By incorporating these anti-inflammatory foods and avoiding the harmful ones, you can support your body in fighting inflammation and improving overall health. Try experimenting with new recipes and make small, sustainable changes to your diet. Your body will thank you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who'd love to learn about anti-inflammatory eating. See you in the next video.